What's that? Hey, it's your boy Jaggerson, man. Welcome to my video. I hope you guys having a wonderful day. For those of you guys that's down, hopefully this video can uplift your spirits and make your day a little bit more better. So further ado, today is a how-to video. We're gonna be making a spicy papaya salad today. We're gonna go to the market, grab a few items, and then we're gonna come back here, create some magic, and then after everything is done, we're gonna go to some family members and have them critique it, you know what I'm saying? Give it the thumbs up or the thumbs down, you know what I'm saying? Further ado, let's get this thing going, alright? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, that was a bit weird. Alright, let's get into transition. Let's go. So, before we get started mashing everything up, we're out here trying to find one thing. The special peppers. It's somewhere in the woods. We're gonna go in there and we're gonna try to find it, man. So, on the hunt to special peppers. Let's get it. Alright, we got the special peppers. Let's go see all our ingredients and get this thing going. Alright, so we have all our ingredients here. All we have to do is cut up our green papaya. So we have our cutting board here. Got my knife. If y'all youngins out there, make sure you guys have parental supervision while using the knife. Alright, so I got this little thing right here too. It's gonna shave off the skin. We don't want the skin right now, so all I'm gonna do is just peel this baby off like that. Alright, we got all the skin off. Next up, big giant bowl. Do this, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna be chopping it up like this. Watch your fingers, alright? Watch your fingers. The reason I'm doing this because you wanna make a lot of cuts. So when we go to shave it like that, we can have those strands like that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we got this. It should look like shredded cheese. Look at that. It is time. It is time to combine. And the one thing that's gonna bring everything all together is gonna be this baby right here. It's a traditional big giant mashing bowl. And when it comes to measurements, I'm not even really sure because every time I see my grandmother make this, she always do one of these. Grabs a seasoning, puts it in, put a little bit of this in there, and then she keeps on doing it again until it gets it right. So if you're asking me what the measurements are, you're gonna have to do this a couple of times until you get it right. You just gotta do it by feeling. Let's make this spicy papaya salad already, you know? Alright, so we're putting our cherry tomatoes in, and then we're gonna be putting our garlic in. We're gonna put about 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we're gonna go with 3 for now. And we're gonna taste it a little later, see if we want to put any more in it. Make sure you put your hand over the bowl so nothing flies out. Alright, smashing it all up. I was supposed to smash the peppers first. Oh man, dry ingredients first. Alright guys, I did that wrong. Yes, this is my first time ever making spicy papaya salad, you know what I'm saying? There we go, SMG there. Then we got our lemon over here. We're gonna just squeeze our lemon in. Alright, it's coming along, it's coming along. Alright, so we have our fermented fish sauce. I'm just gonna put a little bit in. Now, the final step is the papaya. Throw some in there, there we go. Alright, so let's give it a try. Yeah. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot the fish sauce, dude. It's not spicy enough, and it needs more fermented fish sauce in it. More peppers. Or just break it up in there. More peppers. More peppers. Alright, so this is Tamarind's soup mix. It's a very, very sour powder. So I'm gonna try this out for the sourness. You gotta mix it up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do a remix, you know? Let's see, let's check it out. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah. So, you know, the special peppers that we had earlier. Yeah. That was just for show. Make it a little interesting for a bit, but these are not actually that wait, is that hot? Let me see.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Whoa! What the heck was that? Yes, they're hot. They're really hot. I'm doing thumbnail. Alright, that was hot. Man, I'm getting messed up today. Alright, let's go put this on the plate. Taste test, taste test. Tap! Bam. Taste test.
แซ่บgood
Alright, so we have our spicy papaya salad, our pork belly, and we have our rice right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tear this thing up, I'm telling you. But before I tear it up, I just want to say, if you guys find this video informational and entertaining, hey, you know what I'm saying, I think I deserve a thumbs up, a subscribe, and if you guys want to get notified on when the next video I'm gonna be posting, hey, hit that bell notification, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys want me to do more videos about food, you know what I'm saying, comment down below on what I should cook next. It can be anything. This is like my first time ever making spicy papaya salad. I've always watched my mother, I've always watched my grandmother make it, and I've always ate it. I put my eyes to the test, and bam, we have the dish, and it came out good. I got thumbs up from everybody. So I'm gonna dig right in, man. Thank you guys for coming by. My name is Jaggerson, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bon appetit.